We move over to the story next. The three suspects arrested in the Thabo Bester case have appeared in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court today. Police say all three are male and are all former G4S employees. We now speak to our SABC News reporter, Kamogelo Sikui. Kamogelo, good morning once again. And just quickly tell us what transpired in court.
Good morning, Aldrin. Yes, today was actually a very brief appearance of the three people that have been arrested in this matter. Their legal representatives have told the court that none of them have convictions in their names and they all do not have any pending cases. The state also indicated that they will be opposing bail in this matter. One of the accused is facing a charge of aiding and abetting an inmate to escape, while the two others are facing charges of violating a dead body, corruption, as well as aiding and abetting as well. But I am here with the NPA spokesperson, Phaladi Shuping, who is going to just briefly tell us a little bit more about the accused, their names, who are they, and if the state is ready to go to trial.
Well, three more accused appeared in court today, which is accused number 10, 11, and 12. As we are aware that already 9 accused have appeared before the court. Accused number 10 is Thabo Mir, who's facing just one charge of assisting an inmate to escape from lawful custody. Accused number 11, it's Joel Macheta. Accused number 12, it's Mwek, it's Ramudula. Number 11 and 12 are facing 3 charges each, which is assisting an inmate to escape, violation of the body, and corruption. The state made a request that the matter be postponed until next week, Monday, for bail information so that the police can assist to check for us if the accused have previous conviction or if they don't have any pending cases.
The next appearance will be bail information, but do you have any indication as to whether they will be applying for bail?
Yes, the information that we received is that they will be making an application for bail. Hence, we made a request that the matter be postponed to next week so that before we can entertain any bail application, we can have an idea as to whether they have previous convictions or pending cases, which will have an impact on the decision that will be taken by the state as to whether we're going to oppose their release on bail or not.
Do we expect that more people will be arrested in this matter? We see that every now and again there are more people being added, and of course the police have indicated that they are still continuing with the investigation.
Yes, for as long as there is an investigative process underway, that possibility exists that more people will be arrested, because it will depend on the evidence that will be revealed by the police during their investigative process. If the investigations points at certain people, surely those people will have to be arrested and be brought before the court.
At this stage, does the state know how long the police will still be investigating this matter?
It's difficult to tell. We don't know how long the investigation is going to take, but our hope is that very soon they will finalize the investigation. Remember, we cannot preempt the challenges that the investigators are going to come across during the process of the investigations. But our hope is that very soon they will finalize the investigation so that we can determine as to how many people in all are charged and decide on the forum where those people are going to face their trial.
Earlier on, we spoke to a legal analyst who raised a concern about the people who are actually being arrested in this matter, saying that we see only people at low-ranking employees of G4S, and there are no high-ranking officials that are being brought to book. Should we expect anything to happen at a higher level?
Well, we don't want to preempt the investigative process. Like saying if the investigation points at certain people, those people will be arrested. We cannot now say if there are senior people that are involved. We will be directed by the investigations once the investigations are finalized. But people who have already been arrested at the moment are those that the investigation is pointing at them. Hence, a decision was taken that let the matter be enrolled so that we can start with the bail processes regarding those that have already been arrested.
And these three today that appeared in court will also appear on the 8th with the rest of the accused.
Yes, remember the state made a request that they be joined to that main case, but we don't know now on the 3rd what's going to happen. If they still insist on making application for bail, then the court will have to decide on the date for their bail application. Then once the bail application is out of the way, then they will be joined to the others on the 8th of August.
Thank you so much for your time, Dr. Phaladi. That was Phaladi Shuping there, just taking us through what happened in court today and what is likely to happen. The investigation, of course, still ongoing, and we will see what happens. Aldrin, as you know, we've seen every now and then more people being brought into this matter, and of course, this case also will be added to the main case that includes Thabo Bester as well as Dr. Nandi Pamakutumana. With that, respect to you in studio.